Hello everybody, this is Suresh. The 35 minutes away from the Wednesday's edition of the Afternoon Breeze. I'm sure you're having a wonderful Wednesday. I like the sound of the water because I think of, Kandy, I think of Nuwara, Al, Dunghinda, so many places. These are some of the beautiful places that you can visit here in Sri Lanka. A land like no other. That's right. And by the way, you can catch me on the show. That's around 2 o'clock on Gold FM 93.2 FM, island-wide. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe Gold FM on YouTube, which is youtube.com/Gold FM. And folks, don't give me a thumbs up on the video. If not, like I always say, you're going to hurt my feelings. By the way, I'm sitting actually in front of the World Trade Center right now. Let me go have my coffee and enjoy the rest of my day. Take care, and I'll catch you on the show. Bye for now.